So I do know how it works with Acima because I did that already. So with Acima, the same as cash. All I have to do is just make sure I call them, ask them, hey, when is my 90-day period? So I can make sure I pay it before the 90 days. And I wasn't charged like the additional fees, and it was like 90 days, same as cash. Now with Snap, they tell you all to call them. So they say, hey, if you want to do the 100 days payment option, then you need to call them and talk to the reps and let them know, hey, this is something that you want to do. But I just paid mine off early, and I just start throwing as much money as I can towards it and got to pay it off early. And after I paid it off, they said, hey, once you sign up for another one, and I was like, nope, I'm all right. But let's check out the Snap so I can show you their 100 days same as cash. Let me go directly to their thing. Let me share my screen so you can see what I'm kind of doing. Okay, perfect. So here we are here. This is their same as cash. Let's go ahead and click on how it works. I thought they would have had it right here easily, but let's go ahead and look at this article real quick because this is kind of what they have. You may be seeing ads for the 90 days, same as cash. Theirs is 100 days, but if I were you, I would just call them. So let's go to help customers. Let's put 100 days here. Oh, so here you go. What is a 100-day option for you may purchase merchandise? Okay, so to use a 100-day option, customers must ensure the full amount is paid within 100 days. So this is actually better than a SEMA. I already have 90 days. So you have to call them right here or by scheduling payments, and then you guys will be able to do their 100 days same as cash. So it was 90 days same as cash with Acima. That's the one I use, but this one right here, they have 100 days. So I don't know, I really like that option, and I want to redo my office, and I want to get some furniture for my office. So maybe I'll call them and see how that is going to work and see what the terms is going to be. But just go ahead and give them a call. And once you guys, oh, snaps, my screen isn't showing the right page. Hold on, you guys, you didn't see it. Um, Here it is right here. So yeah, you may purchase your merchandise at any time. All you have to do is make sure you call customer care, and here's our phone number, or by scheduling payments in your customer portal at customer.snapfinance.com. So there it is right there, you guys. So contact them, and as long as you guys um, pay it within that 100-day window, it seems like they're not going to charge you those additional fees, and it's going to be way less than if you was to just pay like the minimum payment that they're requiring. It's going to be way better than that.